Hi everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing. Something that I purchased for my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandoulier 30 is handbags organizer. So let's get started. Open these, unwrap. Open. With my two helpers here.
Sakit lama. Keras. Oh.
Hurry up.
Susah pakai buka ni.
Okay, just here. Okay, pull. Let's pull.
Ya.
Okay.
Dah pecah. Sorry ma. Dah pecah sangat. Ni tak boleh buka ma. Oh ni.
No, this one down.
Ayo, ada something lah.
Yes.
Mesti kasut lah. Ayo.
Pull.
Ya. Ni dia. Dah buka.
So this is the thing here. Yeah, this is the one. Okay.
Ni mamanya L.
It's the bag organizer. Okay. So I got this in brown. It only comes in two colors, the big and dark brown.
Dah habis.
I wanted to have the red, but you don't have the red one.
Apa ni?
It's like this. Okay, let's open up and see. Wait, how does it look like?
Okay, I nak buang lah.
Okay, it's quite big though.
Apa ni mak? Apa ni?
And
Mak LV nya.
this is not LV lah. Okay. It comes with this.
Alamak, ada present lagi ya.
Okay. You can use for a lot of bags. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so let's see how does it looks like. Okay.
Mak, apa mana cakap ini mak?
It could be like
Ini
this.
nak unboxing. Mama, I nak buat unboxing boleh? Mak, unboxing.
Yay! Done.
Apa ni?
Done.
Apa ni? Macam untuk makan je.
3 pockets here. Then it's quite dark. Can't even see. There is 2 pockets here. 3 pockets on the side. And the 2 more pockets here.
Kelakar lah.
Yeah.
So mama ini
Comes with the base shaper here. So you don't even need to put another base shaper in.
Jangan yang cakap. Afiq.
Okay, that's all. Alright, that's about it. Bye.